In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Meet for beginners. If you're new to Google Meet, this guide will help you get started with ease and confidence. First, let's navigate to Google Meet. You have two options. You can simply go to meet.google.com on your web browser, or for those who prefer mobile, open the Google Meet app if you have it installed on your device. Once you're there, you'll notice a couple of options. You can either click on New Meeting if you want to set up your own session, or you might choose Join or Start a Meeting if you're looking to attend an existing meeting. As we focus on creating your own meeting, when you click New Meeting, you'll be presented with choices like creating a meeting for later or starting an instant meeting. This flexibility is great for accommodating your schedule, whether you're planning ahead or need to connect immediately. If your aim is to join an ongoing meeting, you will need a meeting code or a nickname. Simply input the provided information into the designated space and you'll be ready to go. After entering the meeting code, click Join Now to enter the meeting room. It's important to make sure that Google Meet can access your camera and microphone. This is a crucial step as it ensures that others can see and hear you during the meeting. If you've set everything up, you should be all set to participate in the meeting. Now moving on to scheduling a meeting, which can be very convenient. Google Calendar is your friend here. To schedule a meeting, you start by creating an event in Google Calendar. Once you're in Calendar, click on the date and time when you'd like the meeting to occur. A window will pop up where you can add all the necessary details for your event, such as adding guests. Input the names or email addresses of the people you wish to invite. When you have everything set up, the next steps are straightforward. Click Save to ensure all your additions are securely in place. Then if you want to notify your guests right away, click Send. This will send out invitations so all the participants have the details they need to join your meeting. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've learned how to both set up and join meetings using Google Meet, and even mastered scheduling them using Google Calendar. Keep practicing, and soon navigating Google Meet will feel second nature. Enjoy your meetings and happy communicating.